Once you click in new campaign, this page is going to open. In here, you're going to have the different stages that are needed to complete your campaign. So what I recommend starting with is by registering the contacts and editing the templates. You can do that later on as well, but it's just going to help the flow to just have everything already saved in the right place. So if I come in here, I'm going to click in register contact. And then I'm going to be able to create lists so you can just do a mass campaign with emails or postcards for a better result. So you're going to come in here and you're going to click and register contact. A new tab is going to open, and then you can just enter your contact information. So let's just put a random name in there, John Smith, property address, 123 Main Street, state of Florida. Let's pretend that's in Orlando. If the mailing address is different from the property address, you can just click in here. And this is just the process to enter a contact manually, okay? There's also a way to upload contacts if you have a list already. In here, there are lists. If you click on the drop down, all the lists that you've already created are going to show up here. If you would like to add a new list, you can just click in here and just name your list, and it's gonna show up in this drop down. Okay, so let's suppose that John is an absentee owner. He has another property. He lives somewhere else and not in this particular property. In here, I can add any notes that I want. In phone numbers, I can just come in here and add a phone number. If the number is on the do not call list, if you're entering manually, you're probably not going to know that. But if you're uploading a list, most likely this information is already going to be there. And then you're going to click and add. The number is going to come down here. Emails, very important to have an email address if you're doing an email campaign. So this is a very important field that we want to have, okay? And then click add, and then you're going to click and save.